Muna the marmot built a marble run, but her marbles kept flying off the sharp turns. She tried to fix the track alone, but the wooden structure wobbled and grew even weaker. Iko the ibis landed nearby, carrying long, sturdy reeds to create tall, protective side rails. Senn the salamander arrived next, using his steady hands to hold the loose joints together. Muna carefully pressed thick mud into the gaps, acting like strong glue for the track. The three friends worked in perfect harmony, reinforcing every curve of the winding marble run. When they finally tested it, the marbles rolled smoothly without falling off the track once. The marbles clicked happily into a small bell at the end, signaling their grand success. They decided to leave the extra reed rails in a box labeled Helper's Tools for others. This way, anyone in the forest could repair the run if it ever wobbled again. Teamwork means letting others strengthen the parts that you simply cannot hold by yourself. Together, Muna, Iko, and Senn celebrated their creation, knowing that helping hands make everything better.